guys, you know who it is. It's your boy Alex, Audio Tech, coming at you guys with another speaker review. But we got the Tronsmart Bang versus the, let me see if, I don't know, because I don't know how to pronounce this name. Let me see if Google Translator can tell me how to pronounce it the best.
BSZHI. BSZHI.
Yeah. No, BSZHI. Yeah. See, you heard Google Translator. And yeah, I got dogs. So I got dog here. I got to try to take this off the speaker. That match. Okay. So this one's usually $130, but it's always on sale for like $80. This one's usually $109, the Tronsmart Bang. This is the original one. A lot of people are getting the new one. This is the original one. I own the original one, the Tronsmart Bang. So I wanted to pin them against each other. You know what I'm saying? Even though I know this one's louder, this one right here, because this one's peak power, I think, is like 100 and is 80 watts. And this one is just 60 watts, bland 60 watts. So we're going to do the Tronsmart first, of course. We're going to do the Tronsmart first so you guys can hear how it sounds. And then we're going to pin the two against each other. And, of course, my JBL Flip 6 is back here to hold up this heavy BSZH speaker. So, of course, we're going to play some non-copyrighted music because I don't want no beef with YouTube. And this video is in 4K because it is. So, hold on, guys. Okay, it's already connected to the iPhone 15 Pro. Let's go to my main channel so we can play non-copyrighted music with no ads because I pay for YouTube Premium. So let's go here. Let's go over here and right here, non-copyrighted music. Here we go. So we're gonna make sure we play the same song on both speakers. And this is at full volume, guys.
The streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
I forgot what that
Tonight we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
sorry to cut, interrupt the music, but this is the based up button. Tronsmart does have a based up buttons right here. I don't know what the hell is this for. I don't even know why I turned it on. And I'm trying to look how to turn on the lights. I know there's a Tronsmart app because I want you guys to see the light show, which I hope the new speaker has the button for the lights. Because this one is just like the Soundcore Boom 2 that you got to mess with it through the app. So you got to get the Tronsmart app. As you guys can see here, they already got the Tronsmart Boom 2. I got the Tronsmart Boom 1, which is right here, see? Bang, I'm sorry. I kept saying boom. I got confused with, oh my God, with Soundcore. So yeah, you see? Tronsmart Bang. So this is the original Bang, you see? And I'm pulling it up right now. And I'm going to turn on the light show. So let's go to settings and let's turn on the lights. Here we go, the light show. There we go. And we're gonna make it green. I don't know, I just want a green light show. Okay. So there we go. So you see, this is the Tronsmart app. You can change the color. You can go here. This is the equalizer I have it on. Sound Plus, Default, Deep Bass, Classic, Rock, and whatever. I think that whatever this is right here. You guys don't select it. Let me. There you go. So you got to download the Tronsmart to mess with the speaker. So there you go. So I already turned everything on. Now let's play this music.
I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. We are heroes tonight, we will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight, yeah. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
Okay, so now we're gonna stop this one. So I still want to show you the back of it. You know, that's the extra bass button, volume, pulse, and play down. And I don't know what this is. I turned this on. I don't even know what that is. And in the back, of course, I like how it says USB Type-C to charge, aux, and USB FD card. So this needs to be closed in order for this speaker to be waterproof. This speaker should be on sale right now. I'm gonna drop the affiliate link to both of these speakers anyway, pinned down in the comment section down below. So we got the micro SD card slot. We have a reset button right here. You need like a little pin or something. The USB to charge it, aux cable, and FD card. Well, basically your memory card. So there we go. And even on the app, you can switch it to memory card or whatever you want to switch it to. So I like that they got the Tronsmart app. So yeah, that was the Tronsmart peak power 60 watts. It does sound good for 60 watts. And now we're going to do this one. The BSZHI. So let's turn it on. We got the power button right here. You guys can see the lights. And this is the light button right here where you can turn it off. This is down. This is up. This is play. This is equalizer. and this is to sync it to other speakers like itself. So on this one, I want to show you the back right away. This one's also IP66 waterproof. We got USB Type A to reverse charge. We got aux, we got memory card slot, and we got USB Type C to charge this speaker right in the back. Okay, and that's why we got this big flap. This has got to be in here sealed correctly. This has got to be in here correctly, is what I'm trying to say. So it could be waterproof. And now I don't know why I'm having such a hard time putting it back in. It's crazy. Oh, there we go. There we go. Now it's waterproof. And like I said, it has a lot of hair because of my dogs. All right, Gracie, you want to go downstairs? Yeah. Go ahead. Go downstairs. First, he scratches the door to let him in. And now he's scratching the door to let him out. Okay. Sometimes dogs are undecided. So anyway, let's play the same song. I don't know. I just like that song. I like it a lot. This one. Let's turn it all the way up.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul.
To me, this one sounds louder, of course, because this one is 80 watts. Top peak power, I think, is like 100. So I know you guys can hear it too. I like it. I scratched it up right here. It's a little scratch, but that's all right. I ain't nothing. I love the speaker. Now, this one is heavier, though. Ain't gonna lie. This one's heavier than, or are they the same weight? Yeah, no. This one's heavier than the Tronsmart Bang original. Because a lot of people, you know, that have the Bang 2 don't even have this one, the original one. I got the OG one. I bought this speaker 2 years ago. You know what I'm saying? So I got the original one. So what I'm going to do to pin these two against each other in a way that could, you know, make it even, I'm going to basically kick off this BSZH1 off my iPhone 15 Pro Bluetooth and connect it to my 14 Pro Bluetooth. And that way, you know, that way I can sync it with the other phone. All right, so it comes under Bluetooth is A62. That's what the Bluetooth name is, A62, for this speaker that's lit up right now. So that's what I'm gonna look for, A62. So disconnect, there we go. Now we're gonna go to my 14 Pro, and we're gonna turn on Bluetooth. Let me go to Bluetooth right here. And we are going to look for that, yep, here we go. Connect it, there we go. A62 is the Bluetooth for this one. So now I can look for non-copyrighted music on both phones and play it to make it like better, like a real versus is what I'm trying to say. So we're gonna go to YouTube and we are going to go to, of course, the non-copyrighted music, but I am going to choose a more bass intense song. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna play this one, the one that he created 2 days ago, right here, 1 day ago, I mean. And now we're gonna turn on the Bang, the Tronsmart Bang. Okay. And we are gonna choose the same song. Okay. Let me close out all these apps running in the background because they do drain battery. Okay, here we go. Hold on. All right. Now let me turn this one all the way up. And let's go.
I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better. But I'm human. Some days it's hard to move on, so I keep fighting. I don't.
I want to start them both at the same time.
I've learned from my mistakes, and I'm trying to make it better. But I'm human. Some days it's hard to move on. So I keep fighting. I don't blame myself.
Yeah, that really sounded like really crazy. I always wanted to do that though. That's why I did that, guys. So we're a minute and 17. That's how I'm gonna split the speakers up. I want to make it fair because the Tronsmart doesn't just have this green light. It does have like the rainbow light show that the other one has. So let me try to turn that on because I had turned that off a long time ago. Let me go back into Tronsmart app and turn on the rainbow lights. Let me see, Bluetooth. Oh, that's to sync it with other speakers. That's what that is for. Oh no, I turned off the speaker. What a dummy. I turned off the speaker by mistake, guys. Let's consider this a blooper. I don't know how to get the rainbow light show back though. That's the crazy part. LED colors. But I wanted to play all the colors. And I don't know how to get it to do that. That's crazy. Oh yeah, this just says, I should have read it. It says power off, Tronsmart bang. Guys, I'm trying to like figure out how to turn these colors back on, guys. So I'm sorry about this. I should have never turned them off in the first place. I'm guessing there's a firmware update for the bang, but I'm not doing that right now because that'll take super long. So yeah, guys, I forgot. Just know that when you buy this, if you guys decide to get this bang speaker, it does have the different light show. So anyway, let me move this one out the way, and we're gonna play that same song on this speaker till it gets to the same amount. I think it's 1 minute and 17 seconds. Yeah, okay. Oh, there we go.
Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking eyes. Lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty, but I'm
Alright, so let me pause it real quick. I do have the based up button turned on this, which is right here. The based up button is right there. This tell you the battery life. You have 5 lights, so that means you have 5 bars of battery life. And I like the speaker. I put it on a custom EQ because before it sounded like low for some reason. And ever since I put it on this custom EQ on the Tronsmart app, it's been way better. Like I said, I put it on this one. On the Sound Plus. That's the equalizer. I don't have it on default. I have it on Sound Plus. The speaker sounds way better. The clarity is better. And I love the bass. I love the bass. I ain't gonna lie. I love the bass. And I know there's a firmware update, but as soon as I'm done with this video, I'll make the firmware update. But now let's play the whole song on this one, and then we'll finish off the song on the other one. Let's just go. It's only... Oh, no, I can't play this whole song. This thing is 17 minutes long. We'll play up to like 4 minutes of the song.
Sing to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start looking as lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty right out. In the dead of the night, teardrops on the floor. The pain is over, feel the darkness take control.
Nice. And YouTube, this is not copyrighted music. Look. Non-copyright free music.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget, but you're breaking down the walls again just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I?
Yeah, this speaker became a beast after I put it on that default. I haven't turned on the speaker for the last time I did the video on the speaker. I think I unboxed it was like 2.5 months ago. So yeah. So now let's finish playing the music on this one.
Breathe in and let me go. Sing to your heart to find you. Open up your eyes till you're blinded by the lies, so you can see what you do. Restless every time we start looking as lost control. Oh, it's paradise with honesty right out. In the dead of the night, teardrops on the floor. The pain is over, feel the darkness take control. they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about you that I can't forget. But you're breaking down my walls again, just to set me free. Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling? Why do I, baby, why do I love the way you always leave me? Why do I, baby, why do I love the touch but never love the feeling?
What I think is really cool about the speaker, sorry about that, guys. I just think it's really cool. The passive radiators pop out with the bass. You can see them like going in and out, in and out, in and out, you know, because of the bass being so packed. So I love both of these speakers. But in reality, I think this one sounds louder. But this one's not right. Look, with the Sound Plus, it sounds just as good. Before, the Tronsmart Bang was garbage. I freaking hated it. That's why I kept it in a box for 2 years and never used it till this year, 2025. I bought this back in 2023. I bought it back in like January, January something. I was looking at my orders. January 20th to be precise of 2023 was when I bought the Tronsmart Bang. This one I just bought the speaker this year. You guys know that. I unboxed it here. So for this speaker to get those improvements, and now it has also a firmware update that I'm pretty sure it can make it even sound better, the Bang 2. I'm in love with it. I'm going to treat it nice. I'm going to put it back in the box once I'm done in this video. Well, later on today, I'll put it back in the box, make sure it doesn't get no scratches. And I'm going to try to get the Bang 2. Tronsmart doesn't have it for sale for some odd reason on their website. They need to put it on Amazon. They don't put it on Amazon. They have it on AliExpress. AliExpress says they can't ship to the United States. The seller says they can't ship to the United States the Bang 2, so whatever. I just wanted to bring that to your attention because I know people are going to wonder why he said he even put pictures in his post on YouTube, and he hasn't got the speaker yet. It's because, you know, I don't have nowhere to get it, to be completely honest with you guys. But these speakers, they both go hard. So now, let's switch it up. I want to pick another song, basically. Let's pick this one. And all this music is copyright-free music.
Bitch, my flex up, you wanna throw it on me? Grab what you want, you know that I got it. Baby, it's all on me. Bitch, my flex up, you wanna throw it on me? Grab what you want, you know that I got it. Baby, it's all on me. Flex her body, you wanna throw it on me? Grab what you want, you know that I got it. Baby, it's all on me. Bitch, wanna flex her body, you wanna throw it on me? Grab what you want, you know that I got it. Baby, it's all on me. No man, just green light, don't turn your back on me. Don't think I see right, just get your legs on me. You can't look at me right, I see you.
So love the bass on this song. Just love straight up the bass. Love the bass. So now let's play the same song on the Tronsmart. You get what I'm saying? On the Tronsmart. Let me move this out the way. Move this one out the way. Let's give the attention to the Tronsmart and let's play the same song. The same exact song.
Really wish my flex up body. You wanna throw it on me? Which one you know that I got it? Maybe it's all on me. Really wish my flex up body. You wanna throw it on me? Which one you know that I got it? Maybe it's all on me.
So right up, based off this song, you can tell which one sounds louder. The BSZH1, I mean HI, because it is 80 watts. This is 60, so it's just is a It even says it on the bottom of the speaker. It says output power RMS 80 watts, and it has a 8,000 milliamp battery. So right off the back, the BSZH1, it is a louder speaker. This one's still worth it though. Still definitely worth it. So right here, I like that the speaker tells you. It says model number A62. That's why it's the Bluetooth. It says battery capability 8,000 milliamps. It says output power RMS 80 watts. Input 5-volt 2-amp, so it supports fast charging. Waterproof rating IPX6 waterproof. So it is a waterproof speaker, like I said. So definitely this one usually goes for like $130. It usually is on sale on Amazon for $90, and it's still worth it for $90. You guys hear how loud it sounds. 80 watts of raw power compared to 60 is only a 20-watt difference, but it makes a difference on the speaker when you're playing music. The bass is amazing on this one, and really good on the Tronsmart Bang. So they're both good speakers, guys. It's really up to you which one you decide. Let me know which one you liked more, who had more bass, who sounded clearer. Let me know in the comment section down below. Did you like the Bang Tronsmart Bang Original, or did you like the BSZH1? Let me know. Thank you to all the new subscribers. Thank you for the support. Keep watching and keep subscribing, and I'll keep pushing out this content and keep commenting. And I'm gonna drop the affiliate link for both of these speakers. Not pinned, because I can only pin one. So I'm gonna drop both of these affiliate links for both of these speakers in the bottom comment section down below of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about it. Hit that like button. I'm going to catch you guys on the next one. You all ready, and thank you for watching.